Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you again with another Dollar Tree DIY. This is a very simple and quick and easy DIY. These are the items that I used, and you can get these all from the Dollar Tree. So I started by taking the lids and the straw off of the cup. And the cup, you can actually shake it up and the glitter moves around in the cup. So you want to take the paper off of the bottom, the little sticker off the bottom of the cup, because you're going to be using glue in that area. First, I started by blinging out the candle holder. This is the glass candle holder that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just wrapping some bling wrap around it to do some embellishments. And I'm actually using I think 3 rows to bling out this top portion. So that's all I'm doing there, and I'm just going to use the hot glue and just wrap that around there. So you guys also remember that these are plastic cups. You do not want to use a real candle with these. So next I'm taking some more of the bling wrap, and I'm going to take it around the top rim of the cup, and I'm just using 2 rows on the outside. This is going to cover up the portion where the lid screws onto the cup. So I'm just going to bling this all the way around on the outside as well as the inside and on top. So once that was blinged out, then I took the candle holder and the cup, and I'm just going to use some hot glue to adhere these together. But I strongly recommend, if you want this to last, use the E6000, and you would just place the E6000 on the candle holder first, and then you would go over it with a layer of the hot glue and then adhere the cup and the candle holder together. I don't really care about this lasting for long periods of time because I change things pretty often, so it doesn't matter to me if it doesn't last. That's why I'm not using the E6000 on this. But if you want it to last, I strongly recommend that you use that E6000, and because it doesn't hold that well without it. The hot glue can come off really easy with that glass and that plastic, so I do recommend that you use it. So I chose to put a row of the bling wrap around the center portion of the cup. I think I used 2, maybe 3 rows around the center. And you can also, I think I did 3. So you can also do the bottom of the cup. I'm just showing you that how it can possibly look if you did the bottom like this as well. I chose not to do the bottom. I just left it like it is, and I just did the top and the middle, and I didn't do anything to the bottom. So basically that's it. And then on the silver cups, I basically followed these same steps. Only thing different is with the bling wrap, I just chose to do the bling wrap going straight down on the sides of the cup, and I just did 2 sides. I didn't do 4 sides all the way around, or I didn't do like stripes going around the cup. I just did 1 side going down and the other side going down. But I basically did the top and the inside of the cup the same as I did with the gold, and the same thing on the candle holder. So basically it's the same steps repeated, just designed it just a slightly different, and that's all that is. And also with these lights here, so these lights here, I didn't like the silver had the amber glow, the flicker part. As you can see here, the silver put off the gold flicker instead of the silver, and this gold piece had the silver. They would mix match. So this is how I was showing you how the silver actually looked in there. So I decided to put both of those gold pieces in the silver cups, because it put off the white light versus the golden looking light. So this is the final look, you guys. And they do carry those pieces in silver as well. I just didn't have the silver with me, so I'll just pick up some of those another time. But this is the final look, and this was very simple and easy to make. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all of my new subscribers, and thanks for all of your support for those that's been watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. And if you don't want to miss out on any videos that I upload, please hit that bell so you don't miss out on any, so you get any notifications and don't miss out on any uploads. So again, thanks for watching, you guys, and until next time, bye.